Hey guys, it's Ben, and I'm very pleased to announce that my FTO solution has finally been published. You can check it out in the description of this video. There's a link to the PDF file, and it contains pretty much all the information that I have and know about how I solve the puzzle. This has been in the making for over a whole year, and I'm so glad that it's finally done and out there for everybody to learn from. I also wanted to announce that I now have an Instagram page, so you can check out the link to that in the description and follow me there. I decided to do this because I feel like it's better that I post my speed solves of the FTO and other puzzles on a different page, because I really don't want to clutter up this channel with those kinds of videos when you guys are mostly interested in new puzzle designs. I will probably still have some related FTO videos like walkthrough solves and hardware reviews and stuff like that on this channel, because I think that'll get a little bit more attention. But if you're interested in any speed solves themselves, then you can check out the Instagram. That's where they're going to be. So that about concludes this announcement, and I hope you guys enjoy.